Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And since it is the festive month right here, I thought that today I'll create a very easy, simple festive look, and I'll just use 6 products in this video. Yes, I'm only going to use 6 products in this video, so it's going to be very easy and simple and quick, and all you girls who are quite new to makeup, I think this particular look will really amuse you. So if you want to know how I created this look with using just 6 products, then please keep on watching. So as usual, I'm going to start with a clean, fresh, moisturized face, and I'm going to start with my base. And for my base, I'm going to use my trusted Pond's BB cream. I'm not using any foundation. You can use a foundation or a CC cream if you want to, but I want to keep it very light, and that's why I'm going to stick to my BB cream right here. And so I'm going to dot a little bit of this BB cream with my fingers all of my face, and then I'm going to blend it with my hands. I'm not going to use any sponge or tool in this video because I just want to keep this video very simple, like I just said, so that it's easy for all of you right there. So let's start with the BB cream. So now that I'm done with my base, I have to fix my brows, which are particularly not in the best condition right now. So I haven't done my brows in quite a long time. I'm just trying to grow really thick brow. So anyways, I'm gonna fix my brow with Maybelline's Fashion Brow Duo Shaper brow pencil. So this is a very good pencil. It has both eyebrow pencil on one end, and it also has this powder thing on the other end, so it's very good for regular use. So if you're looking for a good brow product, you can go try this. I think you would like it. So let's just fix my brows right now. So after my brows, I'm going straight to my eyelashes, and for that I'm going to use my favorite, my super favorite Maybelline's Lash Sensational mascara, and I'm going to quickly curl my eyelashes with an eyelash curler at first, and then I'm going to fill them with the mascara. Now after that, it's time for the star of the show to come in, and I am basically talking about this lipstick from Maybelline. This is the creamy matte lipstick in the shade All Fired Up. This is one of my favorite lipsticks, and this lipstick is going to do a lot of work in this particular look, because I'm going to use this lipstick as my eyeshadow, as obviously my lipstick, and also as my blush. Yes, so this is going to do 3 tasks in this entire look, and actually gonna complete, or basically pull this entire look together and make it really glamorous. So I'll show you how this is gonna do that. Firstly, I'm going to use this lipstick as my eyeshadow, like I said. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this lipstick in my ring finger right here, just like this, and then I'm going to tap it all over my lids very nicely so that it doesn't look very loud, but yet it gives a very nice pink touch to my eyelids. So after using that lipstick as my eyeshadow, I'm gonna add a little bit of bling on my eyelids, and for that I'm using my favorite highlighter, which is Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate. So what I'm gonna do again is I'm gonna take a little bit of this highlighter on my finger. So what I'm gonna do is like this. I'm gonna take this highlighter and then I am gonna place this highlighter right at the center of my upper eyelids, just like this. Like I'm gonna start right here at the center, and then I'm just gonna tap it and lightly blend it. So just like that, you saw that I basically used a lipstick and a highlighter to complete my entire eyeshadow. So I'm gonna quickly complete my entire eye look with this pencil. This is the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Waterproof Gel Pencil, and the shade is Glazed Toffee. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line my upper eyelids and my lower eyelids with this. So I'm going to create a small little wing on the outer edges of my eyes with this pencil, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Just like that, I am done with my entire eye makeup and I am left with rest of my face. So like I said, I'm going to use that same lipstick as my lipstick obviously, and also as my blush. So let me first get done with my cheeks. So I'm going to take a little bit of this lipstick again on my finger like this, and then I'm going to dot it on my apples of the cheek, and then I'm going to blend it with my hand. And then I'm gonna also wear this as my lipstick, like I said, just like this. So like you saw, it is a very bright pink lipstick. So I applied a little bit of the lipstick on the center of my lips and then blended it with my finger so that it doesn't look too over the top and too loud. So I'm left with just the final part of this look, and since this is a festive look, it has to have a lot of glow and shine and bling. So for that I'm going to use my highlighter again, and like I promised, I'm not going to use any tool or brush so I'm going to use my finger. So I'm going to take a good amount of this highlighter on my finger, and then I'm going to apply it on the high points of my face. That is my cheekbones, my forehead, a little bit of my forehead, my the tip of my nose, and my lower chin. So that's it guys, this is the completed look, and I really hope you like it because it was really quick and very simple. I just used 6 products, and the lipstick that I showed, it was the star of the show. Like I said, I used it in 3 different ways, and I basically created really glamorous, glowy, bright, festive look for you guys. So if you liked what I did in this video, please do not forget to like it and share it with all your friends, family, everybody, whoever you think would like it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell button right there so that you get all the notifications of all the videos that I'm gonna put forward in the future. So I'll see you all in my next video. Do have a lot of fun in this festive month, in this festive season, because this is the best time of this entire year, right? So anyway, take care all of you, and have a lovely day and a happy Diwali to all of you right there. Bye bye.